There's a new law known as the Funeral Planning Declaration Law. We find this to be missing from most other estate plans done elsewhere, but this is a really important document. It's 9 pages long. It covers all 23 things that your son or daughter or your spouse is going to need to do when you die. Now, most people don't go to a funeral home and pay $10,000, $15,000, $5,000 a piece to do a prepaid funeral plan, although frankly that is a really good thing to do. But if you haven't yet done that, your estate plan can contain a funeral planning declaration. And when you die, the kids are going to know, well, who's in charge to organize the funeral? Did you want cremation or did you want internment? What cemetery? Do you have a lot or a space? What do you want on your tombstone? And if there is cremation, you need to let your children know, well, where should we scatter the ashes? Or where should we bury the ashes? Or to whom should the ashes be given? What about the obituary? Who's supposed to put the obituary in the newspaper? Who should the memorials be paid to? All these are contained in your funeral planning declaration. What about photographs or religious or fraternal items or music or musical performances? What literature or scripture is to be read at your funeral? Who should your pallbearers be? Would you like the funeral home to prepare a video memorial? Kind of brings your scrapbook to life. But the kids aren't going to know these things unless you plan ahead. The funeral planning declaration, if you're a veteran or married to a veteran, spells out all the many veterans' benefits that people miss out on all the time because nobody knows. There's only a day or two to claim them. And all this and more are contained in the funeral planning declaration that you get from Rice & Rice. So that's just an example of the Rice & Rice difference, the many, many things that we do for virtually all of our clients that are really not being done most other places.